Kenya is behind a little bit because only one stadium has been approved by CAF. But Tanzania and Uganda have done so well. Everything is ready for February event that is supposed to begin. And the draw is done in Nairobi today. And before the draw, Davis Mberia, if you can hear me, what are the latest from the world of sport? We'll talk about preparations for CHAN and when Kenya is ready or Kenya is lagging behind. What have you gathered so far from the ground?
A very good afternoon, Jeff Mogire. Yes, as you said, it is all the preparations for the 2025, of course, our CHAN tournament that is set to be held in the country. Remember, two stadia have been earmarked. I'm talking about Nyayo National Stadium, where I am right now, and of course, Kasarani International Stadium that will be hosting actually the CHAN tournament. Remember, Kenya is also co-hosting the tournament alongside Uganda and Tanzania. Already Uganda and Tanzania, the stadium have been approved. I'm talking about Nelson Mandela Nambole Stadium in Uganda, and on the other side in Tanzania, Benjamin Mkapa Stadium. Right now I am at Nyayo Stadium and everything is going on well. The contractors are working against time just to see everything will go well when it comes to the tournament that is set to kick off on Friday of 1st February, on Saturday of 1st February this year to 28th February this year. If my camera person Nebat will just give you a snippet of what is happening right now here at Nyayo Stadium. Already the facility, the renovations are ongoing ahead of the tournament, and one of the areas that the CAF actually instructors were talking about was the canopy along all around the stadium. And where I am, it is the VIP section. It is already finished. On the other side, everyone is working in the pitch just to see everything goes on well. Welders can also be seen on the other side undertaking fabrication works at the facility in the last minute rush just to impress the CAF officials and also everyone who will be streaming here. Remember, it is a tournament that will bring countries all over the continent featuring players who are actually playing in the local leagues, in their actually respective leagues. Remember, we also, before this link, we went through the changing rooms and the playing surface, which looks ready, and the playing rooms, of course, there is one or two, three things that needs to be done, but also in the coming 2 days, everything on the other side will be well. Remember also, Jeff, the new CS of sports, I'm talking about Salim Vuria, and the world contingent, including the committee that was tasked with this, actually tasked to ensure CHAN is held smoothly, are actually today will inspect the stadium, talking about Nyayo Stadium and Kasarani Stadium. As I speak right now, they are at Kasarani Stadium, and after some minutes, they will also be here just to ensure everything goes well. And after that, they are supposed to give an update of where we are and what will be going on. If my camera person will just give you that picture, that is where the players all from the changing rooms will be coming from into the stadium. And if you can see on the other side, there are new goalposts which have been made, and this will be just on standby. If everything goes wrong or right, they can also be used. There is also that refurbishment of the sitting area where the players and the technical bench will be actually be based from the teams which will be playing their matches here. They have also been refurbished, and also on the other side we've seen the section which will actually host fans will be thronging here to witness every match. Have also been actually refurbished. New seats have been structured here, and they are workers who are actually in the stream just to see they paint those areas and be ready to actually see this tournament ongoing. So this is what is happening here, and in some few minutes we shall be waiting the CS of Sports, that is Salim Vuria, just to come here, inspect and give us an update of where we are and if they are actually satisfied with what is ongoing. Remember, apart from Kasarani and Nyayo National Stadium, we also have Police Circle Stadium and Kasarani Annex. Those are some of the actually pitches that will be used for training and also making sure every team is ready for the main tournament. So everything is going well. We shall be waiting the CS to be here and the team to give us a full update of what they think, and later at KCC we shall be waiting the draws to be done. So I shall be here just to keep a keen eye on what will be happening, and I shall be updating our viewers in our subsequent bulletins. Jeff Mogire.
Davis, before you go away in 30 seconds, don't you think this last-minute rush is going to create room for mistakes and lapses, because China is not far away, it's just 2 weeks away?
Of course, there is pressure from most of the officials, including the contractors. And I was just talking to one of the contractors some few minutes ago, and he told me, yes, there was that rush against time, but they've assured us that they'll be working just to see every facility that is needed when this CHAN tournament will be going on is ready on time. Remember, Kenya was actually risking of being on the losing end, and this tournament was actually on the other side. People are talking will be stripped and the tournament will be going to Rwanda. But when CAF President Patrice Motsepe visited Kenya, he gave an assurance that Kenya is part and parcel of this CHAN tournament and will be hosting the tournament. So the pressure is on the contractor to ensure everything goes well, but on the other side, he has given his assurance that everything will be at that quality that is needed for every player, for every fan, for every any other person who will be taking part into this CHAN tournament. And also remember, this will be a litmus test for Kenya, just to show the world if they are ready to host the 2027 AFCON tournament. So the assurance is there now, and we shall be waiting also the CS to tell us if on his side he is very satisfied with what is ongoing here at Nyayo and Kasarani Stadium. Jeff Mogire.
Thank you so much. That's Davis Mberia from Nyayo Stadium telling us exactly what's happening and what we should expect at the end of the day. Anyway, let's now shift our focus from Nairobi all the way to Serie A. That is talking about Milan, AC Milan beating Cagliari, drawing with Cagliari 1-1.